Hey, what's up everyone, this is Baljeet from JK. Welcome on my channel. And this video we are going to reset maintenance required light on 2016 Toyota Camry. I have a maintenance required light right now. We will be resetting. You can see it also says check charging system because my engine is off. And there says this U arrow. We're gonna press this one to go back. I showed you what we have to do. We are going to use those buttons. For back we're gonna choose this one. To go up and down, we're going to use this one. Go to the main menu and setting, we're going to use this one. And the center one is enter. So I'm going to use all combination from here at the screen. First, I'm going to press this like a U arrow and you go back. Now we are going to go all the way down. If you're not here, then you will be on this screen. You see the gear thing. I have to choose this one. If you use somewhere else, then you have to press like this button. This button goes to the menu. So now I'm gonna choose those buttons, like go back on the setting. I just showed you what you have to do. You have to press this one, go to the setting. Then we're gonna press this middle button. And now we're gonna scroll down where we say see the maintenance reset. Press enter, middle button. Over here is asking if you wanna reset the maintenance required light. Yes, we're gonna click on yes and press middle, enter. It will take a couple seconds and it says maintenance reset completed. If you have a maintenance required light, so first you have to check everything on your car. Like if your door, sometime if your door is open, you will see same light, but I will say it's not gonna say maintenance required, but you have to check a couple things like everything. In my case, I have a change oil right now. I have everything checked out. My car is working perfect, so I have a reset maintenance required light. For this charging thing, as soon as I will start my car, it will go away. Now we don't have any more maintenance required light. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with a new topic.